Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video I am going to discuss about tables, inserting tables in HTML. How we can insert a table in a HTML. Tables in HTML are used to display data in a tabular format. In a table, data is represented in form of rows and columns. For example, this table here, the horizontal group of horizontal cells are known as rows. For example, roll number, name and marks. So this group is known as a row, and the vertical columns or vertical cells are known as columns. For example, roll number 1, 2, 3. This group is known as columns. And at top, this is the name of the table. A table can have a name. In HTML, this option is known as caption. So to create a table, we will require these tags. The first tag is table. This is the main tag of a table. It gives structure to the table. Means whatever codes we'll write for the table, all the codes will be included within, all the codes will be written within table command. After that, and table is an container tag, so it have closing. Next we have caption tag. Caption tag is used to define the name of the table. For example, here in this table, the table name is mark sheet. So if you want to display the name of the table, then you have to write the name inside caption. Caption is also a container tag. So caption, you have to close it. After that, we have to make row for the table. That command is tr. It is also an container tag, so it have closing. It's defined a complete row to the table. Suppose I want to make the first line to my table, this roll number, name and marks, then I have to write tr tag first. After that, I will make the boxes. Then next command is td or th. It is also container, so closing is there. It's defined the heading of the table. Normally in a table, the first cells are known as heading. The first row is known as heading. So here roll number, name and marks will keep as heading. For that we will write th. And the next line, from next line, these are td, means table data. So we'll write td. And remember, we have to write th or td inside tr tag. For example, see here, so this is an tr or table row. This is one complete tr or table row, roll number, name and marks. So as this is first line, so we'll first write tr, then th roll number, th close, th name, th close, and so on. And in next line, we will again write tr, td1, td close, and so on. Let's create this table in HTML. First, we will save the page as HTML file, save as. We'll give our page name as table.html. Now our first tag will be HTML. Then we'll write head, inside head, title. In title we'll write inserting table. Then table close or title close, head close. After that we'll write body, and suppose I want a page color in yellow, so I will write bg color equal yellow. Then body bracket close. Now I will start creating my table. So the main tag is table. Table tag has some attributes. They are border, align, busy color, and so on. I want border means the lines to the table. For example, this black color lines, they are known as border, and in here the thickness is 1. If I need more dark border, then we can set another number 2, 3 and so on. So I need the border to the table, so we'll write border equal 1. Suppose I need the thick border only, I don't need so dark border. Then border color is there, by default it is black. If you want some another color, then you can write border color equal the color name. Suppose I want red, then you can write set the height and width of the table. Suppose I want height equal 400 and width equal 400, bracket close. Now my table name is mark sheet, so I will write caption the name of the table, that is mark sheet. Then caption close. Now I will make the row of the table. For that we'll write TR. TR means I am creating the row. Now inside TR, whatever cells are there, that one we will make. The first cell is TD, not TH. The first line will be always TH heading. In TH we have roll number, then name, then marks. So we'll write roll number, then TH close, again TH, name, TH close, then again TH, marks, then TH close. Now I have completed one line. In first line I have only 3 cells, roll number, name and marks. So as I have written, I have created 3 cells, roll number, name and marks. So I will close now TR. Now I will create one new row. Here I will write TR. This is for the next line. This line 1, Anisha and 75. For that, again here next line will write TD, not TH. TD means table data or just a simple cell. So here 1, TD close, again TD, here Anisha, TD close, again TD, here marks, how much it was, 75. So 75, TD close. Now I have completed this line, so TR close. Now I will move to third line, TR, again TD, roll number is 2, TD close, TD, the name was Barsha, TD close, TD, mark was 68, TD close. As I have finished this line, now I can close the TR. Now suppose I have completed my table, then I can close table code. Then after that we'll close the body, then HTML. So I have completed the whole table command now. Now I can save the page. Please note here, as I have written here TR command 3 times, here the heading, this is first line and this is second line. So 3 rows will be displayed on the page. So first let's save the page. Now we'll open the page. As I have saved it on desktop, so it is here is my page. Now open with, then choose your browser. So this is my table. The border are displayed in red color and the text size is too small because I have not set any size for the text, so they are displaying in small size. Now suppose I need the height little less, then we can go in body and here height we can set it 200 And for the text size, as it is too small, so we can write here now. Suppose I want to add the third roll number also. After this TR again can write TR, then TD, roll number 3, TD close, again TD, name Rahul, TD close, again TD, then the marks was I think 78, no 88, 88, TD close, TR close. Now save the page, file save. Now we'll go to browser and reload it. So you can see now this is looking somewhat like this, and the heading, the first row is displayed in center position and other text are in left side. So whatever you write, it will be little bold and in center. Now I want suppose some background color to the table. I don't want yellow color, I need some another color. Then inside here, as I have written already, border equal 1, border color equal red, height equal 200, width equal 400. After that you can write BG color equal the color name, suppose pink. Now save the page, file save, and go to browser, reload the page. Now you can see the table in pink color. Now sometimes we may require to join two or more cells together. Suppose we have like this type of table, we have one more row here, or here suppose have some thing like that, not marks column, here have remarks, and these three cells are combined together, merge. Suppose here just good. Now I have to create like this table. In first row 3 boxes will be there. In second row there will be 3 boxes, but these boxes will combine all the 3 rows. And third row there will be only 2 boxes. Here fourth row will be only 2 boxes. Now for this joining purposes we use col span and row span. If you want to join like this way, it is known as row span, and if you want to join like this way, then it's known as col span. Now let's have an example. Suppose I want to do this one. So now I will what do, first line all are required, so I will write everything. In second line we don't have the marks field. Here we don't have marks, in place of marks we have remarks. And now in second line, in place of 75 it was good, so I will write good. And here it's combined together, so after TD we'll write row span. It was row, column, it was row. And see here 1 2 3 rows are combined together, so we'll write row span equal 3. So TD 1 space, then row span equal 3. Now in second row or third row we don't have to write the third, we don't have to make the third cell. In the last one also we not require the third one cell, so we'll write TD tag only 2 times. Now save the page, go to the browser, this is our old table. Now let's reload. So this way you can combine the cells together. Now suppose we have to make one more table. Now we have to join the columns. In this table only, the third one here, suppose both cells are combined together, so let's merge. And suppose here written signature. In the last cell, there are two columns are combined together in the last row or the last cell. So what we'll do, we'll go to the codes. In the last tier command, in this td here, as here we have just one box, so I will remove the second part. In this td we have only one, in tier you have only one td command. So inside td we'll write call span equal the number of cells, how many we want to join. As here we joined two cells together, so we'll write call span equal 2. So call span equal 2. Now in place of 3, the text whatever I have written here, this is sign. So this one. Now save the page. Now open it or reload it. So here seen both are similar, same to same. So this one we have to create this table, and I have created this one. Both are similar. This way you can join rows or columns together in HTML table. Now suppose we have to create just another table. My table is this one. Let's delete this table. I have to create this table, and here these two columns are combined together, and here these two rows are combined together. So I have to create like this way table, and suppose in this cell it is A, next one is B, then C, it's D, then E, F and G. Now see, for the table, in the first line, in first row we have two cells, and the first cell contain two columns, and in second row we have three cells, and the second row contain two rows. Means cell D contain two boxes together, so here we have to merge, and the third row contain only two cells. So let's write the commands. We'll go to here. Let's delete the previous code whatever I have written except the body. So I have erased all the previous commands. Now after body I will first write table border equal 1. Now suppose I don't need any color, so I will not write anything about it. Now TR for making the row. Now see in question, here I have two boxes, but in first box two columns are combined together. So after TR I will write TH, then as columns are combined, so call span equal the number of cells, how many it's combined. Two cells are combined, so 2. After closing the bracket, I will write the content whatever have inside the cell. It is A, so I'll write A, then close the bracket, again TH. Now the next cell, here is just one cell only and nothing is there. Inside the cell we have B, so I will write B, then TH close. Now I have completed the first line, so TR close. Now I will create the second line. For that again TR. Now we'll go to the question. Here I have 3 cells. In the next cell where it contain D, their 2 rows are combined. So we have to remember that. First I will make the first cell, that is TD. Inside the cell we have C, then TD close, again TD. Here 2 rows are combined together. For that row span. Row span equal, as 2 rows are combined, so we'll write 2. So close the bracket and we'll write the content whatever have inside the cell, that is D. Now bracket close, again third line TD. Here we'll write the content which is E, then TD close, TR close. So I have completed the second line also. Now we'll move to the third line. Let's see in the question what have in third line. In third line we have only 2 boxes, that is F and G. So we'll go in the code. First TR, then TD. Inside the box we have F, then TD close, again TD. We'll write the next letter, that is Z, then TD close and TR close. The last line will close the table command. So this is our complete command for the table. Table border equal 1, TR, TH call span 2. This call span is used to join 2 columns as a 1 column. As here it's joined 2 columns together, so for that reason I am writing here call span equal 2. If I write here 3, then all 3 columns will be combined as a single column. Now let's save the page. Let's see the output, how it's look. So this is looking like this way. If we need to resize the table, what we'll do? We'll go to the HTML command. Inside the table code we will write height equal the number of pixels whatever you want. Suppose I want 100, and again width equal the number whatever you want. Suppose I want 200, and this one I want 150. Now let's see how it look. So it will be look like this one. If you want to set the background color to your table, what you will do, you will go to the HTML code and after which write BG color equal the color name whatever you want. Suppose navy. Save the page and reload it. So it's look like this way. So this way you can create table in an HTML document. That's all for today. See you in a next video. Till then, take care and bye.